Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to hide the numbers of your subscribers from the viewers from the subscribers of your channel. So first of all, go to YouTube account, log in, and then simply go to the right corner, click on the logo. If you're the latest mode user, then simply choose YouTube Studio Beta. And when you are there, simply go to settings, and under the settings simply go to channel and click on advanced, and then simply uncheck display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Uncheck it and simply click on save, and now the numbers of your subscribers will be hidden from the viewers of your channel. So this is the first one, this is the latest method of doing so. But if you are the oldest version user, then what you need to do, simply follow me. Go to video manager and then simply go to channel from the left side, and when it expands simply click on advanced, and then scroll down and just take that do not display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Okay, just check it and click on save, and now when new viewers will come to your channel, will not be able to see the numbers of your subscribers. And that's the simple way of doing so. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share experience on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.